folks. Welcome to Jimmy D's Guitar Lessons and Rock Talk. I'm your host, Jimmy D. Did you just get a new guitar for a gift or something, or you just thought, hey, I'm gonna go to the store and just buy a guitar? And you have no clue what to do. Well, I'm gonna do a few videos for you here that we're just gonna go through the basics of the guitar. I do have a channel, so please subscribe. I got lots of videos on here to help us out, but I want to make this one specific for just a person that's just picking up a guitar and has no clue what it is, what it does, etc. So we're going to start with the basics. I'm sure you probably got an acoustic guitar as your first guitar. Usually most people do. They're more inexpensive and you don't need an amplifier to get them going. So this guitar here, put my glasses on because I'm getting old now. So this guitar here, it's an acoustic guitar, has electronics on it. So I could plug it into an amplifier, which I don't. You could just play it naturally. It sounds pretty good. So what do we got? We got our guitar. So parts of the guitar here. This is the body. Okay, it's usually made out of wood. It's pretty cool. This is your bridge right. This is your bridge right here. Yeah, hold it up like that. Get it reflected. This is the bridge right here, and these are the string pegs that when we learn how to change strings, we'll go through there a little bit. Okay. These are the strings. I guess you can see that. So you got like thick strings on your top here, and then they go skinny, like small. So you got like, this is a wire, this is a wire, this is a nickel wounded wire, so it's a wounded string. This one's a little thicker than that one, and a little thicker and a little thicker. Why do I tell you that? Because one day you might get a pack of strings and you're not really sure what to do. Like I said, I just want to make this nice and easy. So these are the strings, okay? This is the fretboard here, the neck. These are frets, these metal things here. When you hold your finger, don't hold your finger up here. Hold it like down here by the bottom of the fret here. Okay. Very easy to put a little bit of pressure on there. So that's the frets, strings. These are your tuning pegs and your tuners. And the strings, they have a name. So this is, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got your E string here, you got your A string here, you got your D string here, you got your G string here, your B string here, and another E string here. How people sometimes remember it was Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. Just write it down. It's very important that you know the strings, and I guess these are just the open notes of it. So that's a start. You hear my guitar is in tune, and for a beginner it's probably the most discouraging thing and the hardest thing to do is actually tune a guitar. Where do you start? You're new and you don't have all these apps and whatnot around, or if you do have some apps, you got to learn how to use them. So some things you'll need to get. I like this. This is a Snark tuner. I do have a video on it, and I'll probably put the link somewhere up there for it. If not, just search it on my channel. This, I would say, is a must, because I'll just detune some of my strings here. I'm gonna turn this on. Let's see if you can see that on the camera. Okay. So it's telling me I gotta go to the E, because remember E? It's showing a D sharp. There's my E coming in there. I'll leave my A. Remember I turned them down, so I just gotta turn them up to get to that A. Simple. My G's a little out, tighten it up a bit. My B, So super easy. That's it there. Might be hard to see on camera. Just, you know, I think it's about, from Canada, it's probably about anywhere from, say, $22 to maybe $28. I'll leave a link below in the description if you want to order it online through Amazon, or if not, just pick it up at your local music store. And you know, take note when you go to the local music store your first time, you'll want to know a few things to ask them. So right now I'll go get a little list, and if not, I'll write the list for you. And if you want, you could email me. I'll leave my email in the description, but make a list and put tuner on there. Okay, another thing we're going to talk about a little later is strings. These aren't acoustic strings. I just didn't have a set of acoustic strings by me. These are electric, but you need some strings. I'll put something up here or up there on some strings, which strings to get. So you'll need strings, guitar picks. I use these ones. I've been playing since about 1986. These are really heavy ones. You can use light ones. They're very easy to use. Okay. What else can we talk about? I'm going to write some stuff on my whiteboard and put it up there, because in time, instead of learning the theory of music and all the notes and whatnot, we could learn tablature. And I'll just show you what tablature is and what it means, and we'll do some exercises in some future lessons on what to play. We could just start playing just a little one string melody, and we could go up into chords, depends on where you're at in your level and whatnot. But I don't know what else I could really go over more on the guitar. Like I said, I'm going to have some other videos on strings, changing the strings. Just ordered some strings that are actually going to be coming tomorrow, you know, but I was just a little impatient to wait to put them on. But I'm going to do string changes on this guitar, and I'm going to do it basic to, I guess, higher level. So I'm just going to change the strings. That's going to be the basic stuff. But when I start getting more into it, I'm going to be checking the action, the string height here, and I'm going to be adjusting the string height here. And then there's also intonation that I'm going to be adjusting. Like I say, if you're a beginner guitar, don't worry about none of that. That will come into play later on in time. We just want to get you excited to play guitar and play a few things. Like I said, check out my channel. I have some videos on basic chords, just the two note chords, all the other chords to get you going. Yeah, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments below. I'll leave you my email address. Email me with any questions, and if you want me to make any videos for you, I could do that. Or if you want to know what anything else is, if you want, I could take down an electric guitar and we could talk about the same thing. But I just really wanted you guys to you know, learn more about the acoustic guitar. It's a fine guitar. I don't want to say they're cheap, but in price, there's a big range in price. You could get one that's I don't know, probably like $50 or $100, or if you're lucky, you get one for free. I got this one. This was a good find. I got this at a garage sale, I think, for about $20. It's awesome. You know, it's got all these stickers on there. I didn't even put them on there. But it's a good guitar. Sounds good. See, we'll get you playing like this sooner than you think. You know, it's a little bit of practice, and you know, don't get frustrated. We want to try to have some fun. We want to learn together, because when we learn together, it's fun. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe. And be prepared for the guitar journey ahead of you. Right on. Take care and rock on.